にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Grammar video 134. We're gonna learn te form of the verb and mo. It means temo or demo. This expresses the reverse condition or contradictory condition. English translation is even if. We use this expression when we expect something to be like this or something must happen like this in natural circumstance. But it turns out in the opposite way, the different way. Then we use this temo. Actually, we can use this expression not only in the verbs, but also in adjectives and the nouns. But this is the first part of this video of demo, and we're going to learn today only the verb in the affirmative way and the negative way. In the affirmative way of the verbs, we use te form of the verb and we add mo. So it means temo or demo. This is affirmative. But in a negative sentence, we must use nai form, nai, but instead of nai, I change to ku. So nakutemo. Before I explain this grammar now, I want you to remember temo ii desu ka or temo ii desu. I made a video, a grammar video number 65, and I explained about this. So if you don't remember it, you can watch that video number 65 of the grammar. Well, anyway, temo ii desu ka to for the permission. Is it okay if I do something? Can I or may I? This temo ii desu ka? Or only temo ii desu? Yeah, it's okay. You can do it. Temo ii desu. For example, with this verb, 食べます to eat. 食べてもいいですか? Can I eat? And 食べてもいいです. Yes, you can eat. In my grammar video number 80, I explained about this なくてもいいです using ない form of the verb. なくてもいいです. In this case, it means it's not necessary that you do this or you don't have to do this. For example, again using this verb 食べます。食べなくてもいいです。食べなくてもいいです。It means you don't have to eat it. Let's see some examples. This man is too skinny. He wants to gain some kilos. But he can't. He eats a lot. You see? He's eating a lot. But he doesn't get any weight. So, in this case, even if he eats a lot, he doesn't gain weight. In this case, we use temo because this is reverse condition. This is contradictory because usually if we eat a lot, we get fat. So let's make this sentence. At first, hypothetical condition. If you eat a lot, you get fat. たくさん食べたら太ります。たくさん食べたら太ります。Now, contradictory conjunction, reverse condition. It means even if you eat a lot, you don't get fat. たくさん食べても太りません。たくさん食べても太りません。With this reverse condition, we can use these other verbs if you want. いくら、どんなに、もし。All of these other verbs emphasize the meaning. In previous videos, when we studied たら, we learned もし, if. Actually, these other verbs, we're gonna learn them in JLPT, Noken, or JLPT level 3. So it's difficult. So if you don't understand them, don't worry because this is too early to study it. But anyway, today I'm gonna use them. But if you don't know it, you just omit it. いくら and どんなに, this is to emphasizing the meaning. These two adverbs are almost a synonym, and the meaning is no matter how, no matter how much, no matter how long, like this. But there are some slight differences between these two. Ikura comes from the quantity. So if you say ikura desu ka, it means how much is this? So if I say いくら食べても太りません, it means no matter how much he eats, he doesn't get fat. How lucky. どんなに expresses the condition. So in which way? It means どんなに食べても太りません. Maybe he doesn't get fat even if he eats oily things or fried things or with lots of sugar. But he doesn't get fat. So this is どんなに食べても太りません. Even if she drinks a lot, she doesn't get drunk. This is reverse condition. But at first we're gonna see the hypothetical condition. If she drinks a lot, she gets drunk. So this is the normal way. To get drunk, we say 酔います. Something に酔います. お酒に酔います. But not only お酒, not only alcohol, we can also say to get car sick. 車に酔います. お酒をたくさん飲んだら、お酒をたくさん飲んだら酔います。お酒をたくさん飲んだら、酔います。Now the reverse condition. Even if she drinks a lot of お酒, she doesn't get drunk. お酒をたくさん飲んでも酔いません。お酒をたくさん飲んでも酔いません。Now we can add いくら. This is JLPT level 3, okay? So it means no matter how much she drinks, she doesn't get drunk. When we use いくら, then we don't have to use たくさん. This is very much, right? Because いくら, this is quantity, lots of quantity. It means no matter how much. So we are not going to use たくさん. いくらお酒を飲んでも、いくらお酒を飲んでも酔いません。いくらお酒を飲んでも酔いません。No matter how hard he goes on a diet, or no matter how much he practices sports, he doesn't lose weight. The verb to slim down or to lose weight, 痩せます。痩せます。To go on a diet, we say ダイエットします。ダイエットします。どんなにダイエットしても、いくら運動しても痩せません。どんなにダイエットしても、いくら運動しても痩せません。We can also make other sentence like this. No matter how hard he tries, he doesn't lose his weight. The verb to try with all of one's might or to do the best. This is 頑張ります。頑張ります。どんなに頑張っても、どんなに頑張っても痩せません。どんなに頑張っても痩せません。In this case, I used どんなに instead of いくら。Anyway, you can use いくら頑張っても or どんなに頑張っても it's okay. Both are okay. But いくら is the quantity. So maybe I went on a diet 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, or 10 or 20. So many times. But どんなに because in this case, he went on a diet and he did lots of exercises. So the many ways, many in this way. And also I tried this one. So in this case, I used どんなに頑張っても。Anyway, IKURA and どんなに this is JLPT level 3. So this is difficult. So if you don't understand them, it doesn't matter. You can just omit them. But if you understand them, then how lucky! And you are very good. No matter how I explained him, he doesn't understand me. The verb to explain 説明します。説明します。He doesn't understand me. わかってくれません。If I say わかってくれます、he understands me. This is the expression with te form and くれます。You can watch my video 127, 128, 129. So these 3 videos to explain what is this form. Literally, わかってくれます。It means he does me a favor understanding me. いくら説明しても、いくら説明しても、わかってくれません。いくら説明しても分かってくれません。This glass doesn't get broken even if you drop it. Vocabulary. Glass with gu, this is this one, this glass. But when we say garas, garas in English is also glass. But also in English you have this meaning. But in Japanese, garas is this window pane. This is garas. In the glass cup, we say コップ. The verb to drop something or to lose something, we say 落とします。落とします。This is transitive verb. So something を落とします。The verb to split up, to crack, or to get broken. 割れます。This is intransitive verb. So something が割れます。このグラスはもし落としても、このグラスはもし落としても割れません。このグラスはもし落としても割れません。Here I must explain you these things. I told you the verb 落とします。This is transitive verb. So normally グラスを落とします。グラスを落とします。I drop this glass. Right? This is transitive verb. But I told you just このグラスは I use the particle は because this is the emphasis. I emphasize this glass. このグラスは So this is why instead of をutilizado は just for the emphasis. Till here we learned affirmative sentence, affirmative TEMO. But now I'm gonna use with ない the negative なくても If it's just only a cold, you will get better even if you don't take any medicine. If it's only a cold, 風邪だったら The verb to recuperate, to recover, or to get cured, we say 治ります something が治ります intransitive verb もし風邪だったら薬を飲まなくても治りますよ。もし風邪だったら薬を飲まなくても治りますよ。It's still bright, even if I don't turn on the light. To turn on the light, 電気をつけます。電気をつけなくても、まだ明るいです。電気をつけなくてもまだ明るいです。 Now a quiz time with 3 questions, 3 translations into Japanese, always using TEMO or DEMO or なくても。1番目。Even if I go to bed early at night, I can't get up early in the morning. 2番目。Even if it's not raining now, I'm going to bring my umbrella. 3番目、最後です。No matter how much I practice kanjis, I can't memorize them. This video was the part 1 of this grammar demo. I hope you could understand it very well. And also I hope you come back here to learn that part 2. We also learned these adverbs, ikura and donnani, and these are quite difficult for JLPT level 3. But if you understand now, it's so wonderful. But if you didn't understand this, it doesn't matter. Just you omit them. Demo, only this. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can receive all of my videos to continue studying with me. If you can share my videos with your families or your friends, you can help me a lot. Please. いかがでしたか？今日はテモ、デモという逆説の表現を勉強しました。そしてこの2つの副詞、いくらテモ、どんなにテモ、これは日本語能力試験の3級レベルですからちょっと難しかったかもしれませんね。でもそれらの副詞はこのテモ、デモととてもよく使われる言葉なので一緒に勉強しました。でももしわからなかったらそこの部分だけ省いてなんとかなんとかテモ、それだけでも OK です。今日のこのビデオはパート1ですからこれからもパート2に続きますよ。このビデオが気に入ってくださったらぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達やご家族の方に送っていただけたらとっても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てね。じゃあバイバイ。